One swipe of lip gloss is changing summer beauty everywhere. On TikTok, short videos have turned simple glosses into must-have products, selling out in hours. Shiny lips, juicy colors, and lightweight oils are now the biggest summer trend. These viral glosses are not just makeup. They are confidence in a tube, and everyone wants that glow. Why TikTok made lip gloss go. Viral TikTok loves results you can see in seconds. Lip gloss is perfect for that. A dry lip turns shiny in one swipe, and the change feels magical. Creators post close-up videos showing smooth, glossy lips under bright light. Viewers stop scrolling because the shine looks real and satisfying. Many videos use simple sounds or ASMR taps, which makes the moment feel calm and addictive. When people see the same gloss again and again, curiosity grows. Soon, everyone wants to try it for themselves. That is how TikTok turns a small product into a huge trend. The rise of gloss oils over sticky gloss. Old glosses were thick and sticky. Summer heat made them uncomfortable. TikTok helped push a new favorite, gloss oils.
Let's talk about the difference between lip gloss and lip oil. Pout bomb gloss.
These feel light like oil, but shine like gloss. They glide smoothly and do not feel heavy on the lips. Many videos show people pressing their lips together to prove how soft they feel. Gloss oils also hydrate lips, which is perfect for hot weather. Because they look natural and fresh, people can wear them daily. This mix of comfort and shine is why gloss oils are winning this summer. Popular shades taking over. Summer TikTok trends decide colors fast. This summer, clear gloss is still a favorite because it matches everything. Pink shades are everywhere, from soft baby pink to juicy strawberry tones. Brown and nude glosses are also viral, especially for a clean, natural look. Another surprise hit is cherry red gloss, sheer but bold. Creators often show the same gloss on different skin tones, which helps viewers feel confident buying it.
Wow. An dir sieht es definitiv eher korallenrot aus. Ja.
These shades feel fresh, simple, and perfect for sunny days. Ingredients. People are talking about TikTok users now read labels more than before. Viral videos often point out ingredients like jojoba oil, vitamin E, and coconut oil. These ingredients promise soft and healthy lips, not just shine. Some glosses also include mint or ginger for a slight plump effect. Creators love showing the shine plus care combo. When a gloss looks good and feels good, people trust it more.
Shade names alone, I want to try cookie butter first. From the reviews I have seen, they smell exactly like.
That trust is a big reason these products spread so fast online. Affordable versus luxury TikTok favorites. One big reason lip gloss trends go viral is price choice. TikTok shows both affordable and luxury options side by side. Some glosses under a small budget shine just as much as expensive ones. Creators do comparison videos, swatching both and asking viewers to guess the price. This makes the content fun and helpful. Many people feel happy knowing they can get the same summer glow without spending too much. This balance keeps the trend open to everyone. Lip gloss trends last because they are easy. No skills needed, no long routine. One swipe gives instant results. TikTok keeps the trend alive by showing new shades, new textures, and new brands every week. Summer also supports this trend because people want light makeup. Gloss fits perfectly with that mood. As long as people want simple beauty, shiny lips will stay viral. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this trend breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights, exciting beauty topics, and fresh viral updates coming soon.